Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending at the time you'll be watching this video. I hope you all are good. God has given you life and has protected you, and you are up with your daily or day-to-day activities. It's around 8:20 East African time. Such a beautiful feeling when you wake up and you hear such like sounds in your backyard. It's quite fulfilling. Fresh air. See, all over is green, almost rural like setup, but it's not rural. The town is just 5 minutes drive away, or if you're using a motorbike, it's just 5 minutes. I just want to ask you, how, let me maybe stop talking. How many bird sounds, for those that are nature lovers? I know when you're in town or when you're in a city, you cannot hear such like sounds. I just want to listen, to keep quiet maybe for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and you guys tell me how many bird sounds do you hear. Can you tell how many species are just around if you hear the sounds? Let me just keep quiet and then you tell me the bird sounds, that is. That's a wild dove, the conspicuous sound, the kukur type. That one, that's a wild dove. There's another conspicuous one. That one, those that live on actually that one, they usually live on the gutters here. They're usually small birds with white strips and some black strips. I don't know the name, but let me find. I'll get a picture of it. Another one there. The wild dove is so conspicuous. We usually also have cranes around here. Let me just check if they are around. They usually come to eat some shoots here. Let me just check. Oh, today they have not come. Some usually on the fence here. One has just come here. Can you see it? I wish I had a clear camera. It would have shown you up close. That one, I don't know the name, but it also has a very funny sound. Not funny, but some fulfilling sounds. There's a cock on the background also. It's a bird. Actually, we have many birds around. Let me just. I usually feed them at times when we are feeding our chicken on these troughs here. Very early in the morning when we are feeding our chicken, we put some feed there before we open up for the birds, for our chicken, the domesticated ones. The birds usually come very fast, very early. Actually, they are early risers. That's why there's a saying: the early bird catches the worm. the weaver birds, the wild doves. There was a time an ibis also came, the one with the long mouth. Maybe one day I'll get to shoot when there are usually a lot of them here. Yeah, the bird I was talking about is here. Let me just, I hope I get its sound. It has gone. I wish I could get its sound up close. So many birds around. There's a place, there's a small forest around here. One day maybe I'll make a video of the birds. There's a time you will really get them up close. Here's the fella I was talking about. You hear that sound? I don't know its name. Do you know the name? I need the name, that one, with that unique sound. Okay, let me know. I've had, I can count up to around 15 sounds of different bird species. Tell me how many did you count? Thank you and let me know. How do you call those birds? They rarely stay in the bush. The ones on the rooftop, they usually stay in gutters. I don't know its name. Those ones there on the roof. Oh, I wish I had a clear camera.